Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming pairing and selection. Open Control Center and choose your Airpods. Make sure battery levels are adequate, charge if below 20%. Once done, raise the iPhone volume above 30% and disable low power mode because it can limit output. Inspect Airpods for earwax or debris that reduces loudness. Clean gently with a soft brush. These initial checks often solve low-volume issues fast, and they prepare you for software tweaks that follow. Next, dive into iPhone settings to remove software limits. Open Settings Music, turn off volume limit and sound check so audio isn't capped. Then go to Settings Accessibility Audio/Visual. Check headphone balance and shift toward the quieter side if needed, or enable mono audio when one bud is quiet. Finally, review headphone safety and reduce loud sounds. You can raise the threshold or temporarily disable it to allow higher peak volume. These steps modify how audio is processed and why you hear more. For final tweaks, control volume from Control Center while playing audio. Press the media panel to confirm the Airpods are the active output. If sound remains low, reset Airpods. Settings Bluetooth, tap I, forget device, then reconnect. This clears pairing glitches. Test with a different app or another device to isolate the problem, and make sure iOS is up to date because firmware fixes can improve audio. If none of this works, try cleaning again or contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.